If you're a tech enthusiast who loves to keep up with the latest smartphone releases, you're in for a treat. The Sony Xperia 1.5 is here, and it's packed with features that are sure to impress even the most discerning users. The Sony Xperia 1.5 is the latest addition to the Xperia lineup, and it's definitely one to watch. With its top-of-the-line specs and impressive features, this smartphone is a force to be reckoned with. So, what exactly makes the Xperia 1.5 stand out from the crowd? Let's take a closer look at some of its best features. 1. OLED 4K display. First and foremost, the Xperia 1.5 boasts a stunning 6.5-inch OLED display with a 4K resolution and 21:9 aspect ratio. This means that you'll be able to enjoy your favorite movies, TV shows, and games in stunning detail and clarity. But the display of the Xperia 1.5 isn't just about looks. It also has a number of features that enhance the viewing experience. For example, the HDR support for both HDR10 and HLG content provides a wider range of colors and contrast for a more immersive experience. This means that movies and TV shows will look even more lifelike and engaging. The 120Hz refresh rate is another feature that makes the display of the Xperia 1.5 stand out. With the refresh rate that high, everything on the screen looks smoother and more fluid. This is especially noticeable when scrolling through websites or social media, where you can see the difference in how quickly the content moves. Eye care mode is yet another feature that makes the display of the Xperia 1.5 easy on the eyes. With this mode turned on, the display reduces blue light emissions, which can help to reduce eye strain. This is particularly useful if you use your phone for extended periods of time, or if you tend to use it in low light conditions. Finally, Creator Mode is a feature that is perfect for content creators or anyone who wants to view content in its original format. With Creator Mode, you can view photos, videos, and other content with the correct colors and contrast, just as the creator intended. 2. Extraordinary performance. Now let's talk about its performance. The Xperia 1.5 is a powerhouse thanks to its Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is the most powerful mobile processor currently available. With its 5nm octa-core processor and 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM, the Xperia 1.5 is capable of handling even the most demanding tasks. Whether you're gaming, video editing, or multitasking, the Xperia 1.5 can handle it all. It also is equipped with 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage, providing plenty of space for all your apps, games, and media. And with a long-lasting 5,000 mAh battery, you can use the phone all day without worrying about running out of juice. The Xperia 1.5 also supports fast charging, so you can quickly top up the battery when you need to. Overall, the performance of the Sony Xperia 1.5 is truly impressive, and it's one of the best smartphones on the market in this regard. If you're curious about the benchmark scores, the Xperia 1.5 really shines here too. The phone scores 1,325 in single-core and 3,777 in multi-core in Geekbench 5. And Antutu-V9 scores the Xperia 1.5 an impressive 945,700. Meanwhile, 3D Mark Wildlife scores the Xperia 1V 9,458, and PC Mark Work 3.0 scores the phone 13,996. These benchmark scores are truly impressive and demonstrate the raw power of the Xperia 1.5. All in all, the Sony Xperia 1.5 is a top-performing smartphone that can handle anything you throw at it. Whether you're a heavy user or just looking for a reliable phone, the Xperia 1.5 is an excellent choice. 3. Amazing camera. Now let's talk about the camera of the Sony Xperia 1.5, which is one of its most impressive features. With its quad-camera system on the back, this smartphone is capable of taking stunning photos and videos in a variety of conditions. The 48-megapixel main sensor is the star of the show, with its large 1.7-inch sensor and bright f1.9 aperture. It captures great details and colors, making it perfect for taking photos in good lighting conditions. The optical image stabilization, OIS, is also a great addition, as it helps to reduce camera shake and produce sharper photos. The 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor is great for capturing landscapes and group shots, thanks to its 124-degree field of view. It also has an f2.2 aperture, which allows for better low-light performance. The 12-megapixel telephoto sensor has a 2x optical zoom and an f2.3 aperture, making it perfect for zooming in on distant objects. And the 12-megapixel periscope telephoto sensor is even more impressive, with its 8x optical zoom and f2.8 aperture. It allows you to take close-up shots of faraway subjects without losing any detail. But the camera features of the Sony Xperia 1.5 don't end there. It also has IAF, which allows you to keep your subject's eyes in focus even when they're moving. Real-time tracking is another great feature, as it allows you to track your subject even when they're moving quickly. The Sony Xperia 1V can also record 4K HDR video at up to 60 frames per second, which is a great addition for those who love to capture high-quality videos. Slow-motion video, recording at up to 960 frames per second, is also possible, allowing you to capture moments that happen too quickly for the naked eye to see. And if you're a fan of creating professional-looking videos, you'll love the Cinematography Pro mode. This mode gives you manual control over your camera settings, so you can create videos that look like they were shot by a professional. 4. Huge battery. Moving on from the impressive camera of the Sony Xperia 1.5, let's talk about another feature that makes this phone stand out: its battery life. We all know how frustrating it can be to have a smartphone that dies halfway through the day. But the Sony Xperia 1.5's large 5,000 mAh battery can easily last a full day on a single charge. Not only does the battery last a long time, but the Sony Xperia 1.5 also supports fast charging. So if you need to top up your battery quickly, you can do so in no time. One of the best things about the Sony Xperia 1.5's battery life is its ability to handle heavy use. Whether you're gaming, streaming videos, or taking photos, this phone won't let you down. Plus, it has a number of battery-saving features that can help you extend the battery life even further. For example, the phone's adaptive brightness feature automatically adjusts the brightness of the display based on the ambient light. This prevents the display from being too bright when it's not needed, which can help to save battery life. Additionally, the power-saving mode and low battery mode can reduce the performance of the phone and disable some features to further save battery life. 5. Immersive audio experience. Moving on to another feature of the Sony Xperia 1.5, let's talk about the audio. We all know how important good audio is when it comes to watching movies, playing games, or simply listening to music on our smartphones. The Xperia 1.5 doesn't disappoint in this department, as it has a powerful audio system that provides a great audio experience. One of the best things about the Xperia 1.5's audio system is that it has front-facing stereo speakers that produce clear and loud sound. This means that you don't need to rely on headphones to get a great audio experience, as the speakers are more than capable of delivering immersive sound. Whether you're watching a movie or playing a game, the front-facing speakers on the Xperia 1.5 will provide you with a great audio experience. In addition to the front-facing speakers, the Xperia 1.5 also has a 3.5mm headphone jack. This is a great feature for people who prefer to use wired headphones, as it provides a more immersive audio experience than wireless headphones. The headphone jack on the Xperia 1.5 is also very high quality, so you can be sure that you're getting the best possible audio experience when you use it. Overall, the audio on the Xperia 1.5 is one of its best features. Whether you're using the front-facing speakers or the headphone jack, you can be sure that you're getting a great audio experience. If you're someone who values good audio on their smartphone, then the Xperia 1.5 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.